Okay, just wanna greet advance happy birthday to Maricor Hope and Marlon Hope on September 15 and 19, 2025 respectively. So, Maricor, I know you know me. I know you still know me. But I hope Marlon and you is doing fine in the States. I wish both of you more birthdays to come, and I hope you continue to grow, you continue to learn, because that is what you're looking for from the start. Ever since I've known you to be a girl who is willing to learn. So I just hope you knew that. You know that by heart, and you continue doing that. Now that you have kids, you got a family, I hope they will be an inspiration for you of continuing to learn and continuing to grow now that you're a mother. And of course, I would just like to wish your husband Marlon more birthdays to come, and God bless as well. Thank you, and God bless. Mag-iingat kayong dalawa dyan ni Marlon.